Welcome to the Virtual High School. In this lesson, we will be taking a look at a technique to add a negative number to a positive number. Now the question dictates that we must use a number line in order to illustrate the solution to the following problem. Now first of all, we have the plus, meaning we are adding, but then we also have the minus 2. So we are adding a minus number to a positive number. Now what is most important for us to see at this stage is the fact that there is a set of brackets. Now if there is no number in front of the brackets, we can assume that it is 1, which means we can multiply the plus 1 and the minus 2. Now why do we have to multiply to get rid of the brackets? Purely because with the number line it's very difficult to work if you've got two signs next to each other, or if there are brackets. In other words, if you've got 6 plus minus 2 or 6 plus bracket minus 2, as in this case, it's difficult to use that on the number line. So we multiply first of all to get rid of the brackets using the SN rule, which stands for signs first and then numbers. Now when you multiply the same sign, such as a minus and a minus or a plus and a plus, if they are being multiplied, your answer is always plus. If your signs are different, such as a minus and a plus or a plus and a minus, which are being multiplied, your answer will always be minus. Now in this case we've got a plus times by a minus, which means our answer would be minus, and then we move to step 2, which is the numbers. 1 times 2 is 2. Now remember, the 6 standing alone on the left hand side all by itself has not been affected by any of this, so the 6 is still there. Now we can move to the number line and we identify the 6 there to the right of 0, and then since we are subtracting 2 now, it's no longer adding a negative number, it has now becoming subtraction of 2. We will simply move 2 places to the left, and the final answer would be 4. Thank you for using the Virtual High School.